In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini with the Bard chatbot. Think of Gemini as the advanced AI engine behind Bard. Using Bard is the simplest way to experience Gemini's conversational power, creative abilities, and real-time knowledge, all in one place. First, open a browser and go to bard.google.com or use the Gemini app on your Android or iOS device. Sign in with your Google account to get started. If you're on mobile, make sure the app is updated and allow microphone or camera permissions if you plan to use voice or image inputs. Depending on your region or account type, some features may vary. Once you're in, just type your question or prompt into the chat box. You can ask quick questions, request detailed explanations, or follow up for clarification. Bard remembers the context in the conversation. If you prefer speaking, tap the microphone to use voice input. When available, you can also upload images or audio for multimodal tasks, like analyzing a picture or extracting details from a recording. The Gemini model processes your input and returns a thoughtful, contextual response that you can refine by asking it to be shorter, more formal, or more creative. Bard, powered by Gemini, can help with a wide range of tasks. Ask for creative writing prompts, story outlines, or tone rewrites. Get coding help with examples and debugging suggestions. Summarize long articles or documents into key bullet-free takeaways or turn scattered notes into a clean plan. For research, Gemini can pull in real-time information and provide links you can check. If you're on a pro or ultra plan, you can also set up scheduled actions to automate recurring tasks or reminders, things like weekly summaries or calendar nudges right through Bard. Always review what's scheduled and adjust the phrasing so it triggers exactly what you want. Gemini Enhanced Bard also works across Google products. You can draft in Bard and export to Docs, continue a thread in Gmail, or use it alongside search to compare sources. This makes it easy to move from a conversation to a polished document, an email, or a task without losing your flow. If you're a developer, you can access Gemini through Google AI Studio and other Google AI platforms to build custom chatbot experiences. You'll be able to prototype prompts, test responses, and integrate Gemini's language capabilities into your apps and workflows. To wrap up, Google Gemini is the AI that powers Bard. Using Bard is how you access Gemini's conversational intelligence, creativity, real-time info, and multimodal inputs across Google's ecosystem. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Gemini tips and tutorials.